guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there today? Okay, I am back, guys, on behalf of Pure Profit Pro. I'm super excited about this program. I really like the simplicity of this program. If you're here for the first time, you landed on this page because you're looking for a way to make some money from home. This is a great opportunity, a great price point. It's I believe it's going into 3 years. This program has been around. A great professional presentation. This program is digital education, guys. It's global. You can work it from anywhere in the world. All you need is access to internet. There's 3 products on the table. Just 3 products. You pick one of these product levels that you're interested in to help you make money from home, as well as it's going to educate you how to market online. Okay. So this is a great business to get started in, but it can be a very lucrative business as well. It can be a full-time income business, okay? It has step-by-step video training. You can learn at your leisure. It's an all-in-one marketing system. It has all the tools you need inside. It has an autoresponder to follow up with your leads on your behalf. There's 2 capture pages. You're going to earn while you learn. But don't get caught up in the back office trying to learn everything before you actually get your business off and running. We're going to show you how to do that very quickly. Once you join me, I'll get you plugged into what we're doing. Okay? You're not going to have to bug your friends and family. This is not that type of business. We don't do that here. No bugging friends and family. That's not what we do. Okay, there's 3 products here, guys. Very simple comp plan, nothing complicated, no levels and all that stuff. Very simple. $250, $500, $1,000 level. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna show you real quick. Let's pick the $250. I'm gonna show you what we got here. Check it out. Let's see. I got too many things open. Slow it up this system. Okay, $250, guys. You're gonna get all this training. I'm gonna show you here in 1 second. As soon as this thing moves, bear with me a second. Okay. Let's see. We can get it to come down. Let's see. Hold on a second here. Okay. So this is a $250 package. Okay. Let me just stop. There we go. For $250, this is all the training you're going to get. Again, it's video training, guys. So lots of education. It's online education, okay? Electronic learning, just like you would if you wanted to take online courses to go back to school to learn to be a nurse or whatever it may be. We have education just like that online for entrepreneurs to learn how to market and make money online, okay? So that's your $250 package. Let's go back. Here's your $500 package. Pay that plus the admin. You're up and running. It's instant, guys. And you get paid instantly. Every time someone purchases one of these packages from you, you get paid. You don't have to wait on a weekly check or any of that. The person is going to pay you directly. Okay, that's what I like about affiliate marketing. This is the $500 package, and look at all the training you get here, guys. It's well worth it. Plus, you get the $250 package. Okay, so you get the $500 and the $250. Okay, so this is well worth you starting your own business, an online digital franchise is what we like to call it. Okay, so that's the $500 package. Okay, the $1,000 package. That's $145. You're in business. Let's show you what's in that package. It's a lot. Actually, they put it in a PDF file. As you can see right here in a PDF format because it's so huge. So I'm not going to be able to show you everything, but check out all this training. Okay, this is actual online digital education, guys, to teach you how to market online, to teach you how to become an entrepreneur. Okay, get you into our training so that you can start earning commissions quickly. Okay, so you don't wait around. Everything is already set up for you. You're just going to plug in, join my team, and I'll get you started on that. Okay, this is the higher package. So that's it, 3 packages. Okay. You don't have to sell products, go to hotel meetings, any of it. Everything is online that we do. Digital education. Easy way to start making money online with your own home-based business. And as you saw back here, All you're going to do is pick a package, pay your admin, pick one of these packages and pay your admin. But just know, if you pay the $250, you come in here. Your first sale is, everybody passes up the first sale. Then after that, you keep the second sale. So if you come in at $250 and somebody joins at the $500, you make the $250, okay? So that's how that works. So of course, the higher you come in, the bigger commissions you have. If you come in at the 1,000 level, all these education levels are included, okay? And you're able to make $250 and $500 commissions. You're fully funded, if you will, okay? So get started with this program. 3 products, real simple, no complicated comp plan, and a good solid presentation. As you can see on this page, is very professional. Okay, it's put together very professional. It's an all-in-one done system. Okay, no complication here. Get started with Pure Profit Pro. I'm going to put the link below on this one. Also, if you like, you can mail postcards for this one as well. I have created a postcard for this program. So if you join me and you're interested in just mailing postcards and not really dealing with the online aspect of marketing, I can get you plugged into that as well. Okay? So Pure Profit Pro is the way to go. All right, guys, I'll see you on the inside. My info will be below. Go ahead and click that button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day. Like the video.